Saan dito yung tang?
Ito yung mga bilog.
What?
Yan yung... Kaya nga kaya mas maganda wag namin sabihin kung anong part siya.
Nano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Luis Seasoning Wear in Pampanga. As you can see na the table is full packed with the whole gang. Salamat kami po kay YuFuIn for inviting us. Let's have a little discussion. Baka tabalo yun po nung nanong kakalan me, personally. Ali kung masyadong matandain pa sa Japanese food kasi terminologies na rin eh. Gonna give you a tour. Abayan niyo kami po. In front of you guys is a steaming hot ramen, and later on we're gonna taste that. Okay, so let's start with the place, no? Sa baba natin, you got your dining area. Sa Kapampangan, dulang ang tawag sa atin dun eh. Japanese, what do you call it? Yung parang Odashi. I also saw parang may sushi station tayo. Let's dive in straight to our table. So what do we have on our table?
We have here yung YuFuIn set.
YuFuIn set.
Sa second floor, more on yakiniko tayo.
There.
Kayo yung mag-grill ng food nyo. Meron tayo 8 kinds sushi. Then we have also a wide selection of ramen. So ito isa lang sa mga ramen namin. YuFuIn ramen.
So just to mention, like how many ramen do we have here?
We have 10 to 15
Yes.
authentic taste.
Yes.
Because yung dad namin, very meticulous siya sa lasa ng ramen. Kasi lumaki kami sa Oita Fukuoka, which specializes on ramen.
Earlier you mentioned this is your yakiniku special?
YuFuIn set.
YuFuIn set, I'm sorry. So, what do we have in the plate?
Mix na siya eh. So may mga tang, then may mga karabi, bara, iba-ibang parts na siya ng beef.
Saan dito yung tang?
Ito yung mga bilog.
What?
Yan yung... Kaya mas maganda wag namin sabihin kung anong part siya. Masarap kasi siya.
Really?
Like ako, personal favorite ko talaga siya.
Okay, so, let's start cooking.
Yes.
Okay, so while they are busy grilling, cooking our food, ako may sample na ako dito. Let's taste it. Eight kinds of sushi. Ano yung we have octopus? Tama ba?
Yeah,
Octopus
octopus.
and
Yung crab meat.
crab meat.
Sea urchin.
Sea urchin?
Favorite ko yan.
Bawi. And then,
Shrimp. Mackerel.
mackerel, salmon, squid. 8 kinds. So guys, this is sea urchin. First time to try this one.
Ganun na ako.
First time. Sa personal take ko, no, parang may resemblance siya na oyster. So pag kinain mo siya guys, parang inamoy mo yung dagat. So malalasahan mo yung alat ng dagat. Ganun ko siya nadi-describe.
Nasa beach ka bigla.
Oo, ganun.
Sige mong background.
Wow. Another must-try candy is yung kanilang ramen. Very authentic ramen. Yung head chef na kini guys is yung kanilang pingaring lalaki. Kaya talaga. Japones. From the land of the rising sun, Japan. Sagot sa kahirapan.
Gara na lang! May slogan na yun ah!
another interesting dish na must try kayo guys. Sisigara ng beef sukiyaki. Notice on my bowl, ayan. So, tinta mo ken gule, tofu, and then beef. So, how you eat it actually is you get a piece of or a portion, then ano man, either meat or vegetable, and then you dip it here. Actually, kain ni. Egg. This is fresh egg, guys. And then, straight, kainin. Amazing. Amazing. Beto pa, beto pa. Oh, man. I'm in Japan. I'm in Japan. Kadakalpenga, no? Kadakalpenga. Actually, kay super fun time na. Asaling experience na. Super friendly owners. Kukwentuhan ka ba nila ng ano?
Love story.
Love story. Yan. Actually, kita pin aside from itong experience with the people, sa minyaman ni pamo. Na very reasonable po potang idala mo kayo ni sa special someone. You enjoy the ambience, you enjoy the food itself. Okay, ba't ka pa magsisi kayong pamon? Kasi muli yung kain. Muli yung mabsi. Kapalenda ka salamat po kayong pamon Albe. Magpasalamat kami muna naman kayong YuFuIn for an amazing time. So meron pa tayong kwentuhan from of course the owners. And nila pa mismo talaga yung migluto para kami. So appreciate that. And ikaw naman guys, so if you're looking for an authentic Japanese restaurant. Not just the food, even the ambience, the people, guys. Everything here actually is Japanese. Try out YuFuIn. So this is located along 1st Street, Balibago, Angeles City. Ang pinaka-landmark guys is harap niya yung Bayanihan Park. And then just along Jocson Caljas.
Yes.
Yeah, they are open from 10 a.m. up until 12 in midnight. Actually may promo po sila. What's our promo? Power lunch. Post their poster right here. Dito, yan. Makikita nyo na dito. There you go. Okay. So again guys, thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. With the rest of the gang. Peace out. God bless you guys.